I once hosted a dinner party that ended in disaster when a cheap, leaky food steamer turned my vibrant vegetables into a soggy, undercooked mess. Navigating the world of food steamers is incredibly frustrating, with flooded countertops and melted plastic baskets being all too common. You want healthy, perfectly cooked meals without the hassle, but choosing the right appliance feels like a gamble. To save you from my nightmare, I bought and tested the top models on the market. Stick around, because the #1 steamer on this list completely changed my kitchen forever. Seven, OVENTE 2-tier electric food steamer. On paper, it presents itself as a highly compact, incredibly affordable entry point into healthy cooking. It features a dual-tier stacking system with a respectable 5-quart total capacity and is driven by a 400-watt heating element. The basic setup includes a standard 60-minute mechanical timer dial and a simple indicator light that lets you know when the unit is actively drawing power. Out of the box, its sleek profile and transparent baskets make it look like a convenient addition to a minimalist kitchen setup, ready to tackle your daily nutritional needs. However, my actual testing experience revealed some significant functional shortcomings that are hard to overlook. While it manages to handle basic leafy vegetables like spinach or thinly sliced zucchini adequately, it heavily struggles with denser foods. The 400-watt heating element simply lacks the necessary raw power to quickly and consistently generate thick steam. Because the steam production is incredibly weak, you end up waiting far longer than expected for a meal to finish. When I attempted to steam a batch of chicken breasts alongside some diced potatoes, the result was a frustratingly uneven cook, with some pieces remaining dangerously pink in the center while others completely dried out. The physical build quality also introduces a host of annoying problems during regular use. The entire construction relies on very thin, brittle plastic that feels incredibly fragile in the hands. During my rigorous testing, the baskets felt as though they could easily snap or crack under the weight of a heavy acorn squash or a large pile of root vegetables. Furthermore, this specific type of plastic has a terrible tendency to absorb strong odors and flavors over time. 6. Rosewill 9.5-quart 3-tier electric food steamer. This unit targets a completely different demographic, promising massive cooking capacity with its 3 tall, stackable baskets. It steps up the power with an 800-watt motor and features a turbo steam ring design that is specifically engineered to generate steam in less than 40 seconds. The base includes a front-facing water-level window with a dual-sided water inlet, theoretically allowing you to refill the machine during an extended cooking session without interrupting the heating process. The sheer volume of this appliance is certainly its biggest selling point if you're meal prepping for a large family or a weekly fitness routine. I easily managed to fit an entire whole fish in the bottom tier, while simultaneously steaming a massive batch of rice and thick asparagus stalks in the levels above. However, despite the upgraded wattage, the heat distribution remains frustratingly inconsistent across all 3 levels. The bottom tier cooks incredibly fast, but by the time the steam struggles its way up to the 3rd tier, it has lost a massive amount of heat and pressure. This leaves top-tier items completely raw, while the bottom items quickly turn into mush. Much like the previous model, the material quality leaves much to be desired and creates long-term usability issues. The plastic baskets have a slightly cloudy, stiff texture, and after just 3 uses, I noticed significant orange and yellow staining from carrots and sweet potatoes. No amount of aggressive scrubbing or soaking could remove these stains, leaving the unit looking dirty permanently. Additionally, storing 3 massive, non-nesting tiers takes up an absurd amount of space, easily occupying half of a standard kitchen cabinet, which makes it an absolute nightmare for anyone living in an apartment or dealing with limited storage. 5. Elite Gourmet 9-quart stainless steel 3-tier food steamer. This is the exact point on our list where overall quality and user experience start to significantly improve. Boasting a robust 800-watt heating element and 3 beautiful stainless steel trays. It offers the same massive 9-quart capacity as the previous model, but entirely eliminates the fear of BPA, chemical leaching, or melting plastics. It comes with a simple rotary timer and a bright indicator light, keeping the interface wonderfully straightforward and accessible. During my extended time with this steamer, the immediate and most welcome difference was the heavy-duty durability. The stainless steel trays are remarkably strong, handling heavy, dense loads of homemade tamales, whole chickens, and thick root vegetables with absolute ease. They are highly robust, inherently hygienic, and most importantly, they do not hold on to lingering food odors or permanent stains like their plastic counterparts do. The heat transfer through the metal also seemed significantly more efficient, capturing the steam and radiating heat from the sides of the baskets, as well as the bottom for a more encompassing cook. Another massive, practical advantage I discovered was how brilliantly these steel tiers nest together. Unlike the incredibly bulky plastic models that take up your entire pantry, you can collapse the Elite Gourmet down into a very manageable, compact footprint for easy, stress-free storage. The 60-minute timer with an auto shut-off function worked absolutely flawlessly during every test, giving me complete peace of mind when I needed to step away from the kitchen to tend to other household chores while dinner was actively cooking. The overall steaming experience is largely quite positive, consistently producing vibrant, crisp, tender vegetables and perfectly flaky, moist fish. 4. Oster 3.0 quart stainless steel cookware steamer. The Oster takes a completely different old-school approach, earning it the number 4 spot. Instead of a standalone electric base with heating elements and digital timers, this is a traditional premium stovetop steamer set. It includes a heavy-duty 3-quart saucepan, a precision-fitted steamer insert, and a tight-fitting vented glass lid, all beautifully crafted from mirror-polished stainless steel. It is purposefully designed to work seamlessly on any traditional gas, electric, or modern induction stovetop. Testing this unit was an absolute breath of fresh air due to its utter simplicity and foolproof nature. There are absolutely no power cords to untangle, no mechanical timers to break, and no sensitive electrical bases to carefully wipe down with a damp sponge. Because it sits directly on your stove, you control the heat entirely with your burner's dials. I found it exceptionally fast to boil water on a high BTU gas burner, meaning thick, rolling steam is generated almost instantaneously compared to waiting for standalone electric models to slowly warm up. The daily versatility of this elegant setup is a huge selling point that vastly elevates its overall value. When you aren't steaming fresh vegetables, delicate fish, or homemade dumplings, the Bada Base pot serves as an excellent, everyday 3-quart saucepan for boiling pasta, simmering complex soups, or reducing rich sauces. The encapsulated, thick aluminum base provides wonderful, incredibly even heat distribution, completely preventing any frustrating hot spots or scorching at the bottom of the pan when you are cooking delicate ingredients. Cleanup is an absolute breeze since every single piece is fully dishwasher safe, saving you precious time after a long, exhausting day. 3. Bidem 5-quart digital multifunctional food steamer. With its gorgeous retro chic, mint green aesthetic and sleek, modern digital display, it looks like a premium piece of high-end kitchen decor. But beneath that beautiful exterior lies a highly capable, multifunctional powerhouse that completely modernizes the way we steam and prepare our daily meals. What impressed me the absolute most during rigorous testing was its proprietary rapid steam technology. It produces thick, full steam in under a single minute, drastically cutting down on overall cooking time and locking in vital nutrients instantly. The digital interface is wonderfully intuitive, featuring precise temperature controls, highly useful preset menus, and a built-in smart timer. I absolutely loved using it for highly delicate tasks, like steaming sensitive custards or making homemade yogurt overnight, which require gentle, sustained, and mathematically accurate heat that cheaper models simply cannot provide. The engineering incorporates premium, food-grade materials throughout, including a thick, robust glass lid and a medical-grade 316 stainless steel steaming tray that wipes clean effortlessly. It also uniquely comes with 2 high-quality ceramic stew pots, expanding its capabilities far beyond just steaming simple vegetables. I made a phenomenal, deeply flavorful slow-cooked chicken broth in the ceramic pots simultaneously while steaming tender pork dumplings on the upper rack, and the flavor separation was absolutely flawless without a hint of cross-contamination. Another truly ingenious feature that elevates the user experience is the external side water inlet. If a long, multi-hour steaming session requires more water, you can simply pour it right into the side spout without ever lifting the main lid and losing all your built-up steam and precious heat. Two, Bella 2-tier food steamer. The Bella confidently claims the number 2 spot by offering arguably the greatest overall value, reliable performance, and user-friendly experience currently available on the market. It features a generous 7.4-quart total capacity, cleverly split across 2 tiers, and right out of the box, it strikes a perfect, harmonious balance between highly functional family size and counter-friendly compactness. It is thoughtfully wrapped in an attractive black and stainless steel finish that blends seamlessly into any modern kitchen environment. When I put the Bella through an exhaustive series of culinary tests, it consistently delivered incredibly fast, highly reliable results every single time. The robust heating base aggressively boils the water, thoroughly surrounding the food with thick, even steam in a matter of seconds. I was able to successfully cook a full, balanced meal, thick marinated salmon fillets on the bottom tier, and a dense, packed medley of broccoli and carrots on top, in comfortably under 20 minutes. Everything came out perfectly tender, flawlessly retaining all its vibrant color, natural moisture, and nutritional value. One of its smartest and most deeply appreciated design elements is the intuitive water reservoir system. It features a highly visible, illuminated water level indicator directly on the front panel, letting you know exactly when you're running dangerously low on liquid. Coupled with an excellent, highly responsive boil-dry protection system, the steamer automatically and safely shuts itself off the exact second the water runs out, completely eliminating any terrifying fire hazards or the risk of permanently ruining the internal heating element. It also comes thoughtfully packaged with a dedicated, high-quality rice bowl, which steamed beautiful, fluffy grains without the sticky, burnt bottom you so often get from cheap, standalone rice cookers. 1. Cuisinart CookFresh Digital Glass Steamer. This machine is fundamentally unlike anything else on the market, completely reinventing how a premium food steamer should look and operate. Instead of relying on flimsy plastic tiers or clunky metal baskets, it utilizes a heavy-duty, beautiful 5-liter glass cooking pot that sits securely atop an industrial-grade, stainless steel motorized base. The true culinary innovation here is the remarkably powerful top-down steaming system. During my most demanding tests, I watched in awe as high-pressure steam was blasted down from the lid over the food, rather than simply bubbling up from the bottom like traditional models do. This highly engineered mechanism resulted in the most exceptionally even cooking I have ever witnessed in a home appliance. Whether I was steaming a thick, massive cut of pork, a dense whole head of cauliflower, or highly delicate sea scallops, the heat distribution was entirely flawless from edge to edge without a single cold spot. The digital LCD interface is brilliantly designed, offering highly accurate pre-programmed settings specifically calibrated for seafood, poultry, grains, and vegetables, alongside a fully customizable manual control option. The 1-liter stainless steel water tank is completely removable, making it incredibly easy and mess-free to fill directly at the kitchen sink. Furthermore, because the main cooking vessel is made of premium, ultra-thick glass, there is absolutely zero risk of chemical leaching, flavor retention, or plastic staining, allowing you to elegantly serve the meal straight from the beautiful glass pot directly onto your dining table. Finally, The intelligent Keep Warm feature acts as the ultimate daily lifesaver for busy, chaotic households, safely holding your cooked food at a perfect, food-safe serving temperature without accidentally overcooking it or turning it to mush.